Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix HyperX Cloud Core wireless not turning on or charging. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, if you're having problems with your HyperX Cloud Core here, what you need to do is you need to check a few things first. So first is you need to check if the physical state of your device here is still pretty good. So for example, if you've accidentally let go of your headset here and it hit the floor, then most likely it might have been broken during that fall. So in this case, if you do notice a big crack on it, or if it suddenly doesn't work, it means that the actual product or your headset is now broken, which is something really fortunate, and you need to replace the actual headset itself. Now, another thing that you need to check here is if you haven't let it fall and to the floor and it's just suddenly stopped working, what you need to do is you need to check if it's actually charging properly. So first, check the power source if it's actually turned on. So if you have any switches, make sure you have it turned on, or try another outlet. The outlet itself might be the problem itself, or the extension cord might be the problem. Now, another thing you can do here is if you have like a charging cable that you use, you could go ahead and use a different one if you have a spare cable and see if that charges your headset. Now, if it doesn't charges your headset here, the next thing you want to do is you want to inspect the actual charging port here. So in the charging port, you want to go ahead and make sure that there are no dirt. It's pretty clean, and if it's clean, or if you need to clean it, go ahead and clean it and try charging it and see if that works. But yeah, so in this case, another thing that you could do here to solve this problem is to make sure that you have it or haven't plugged it somewhere like a plug that short-circuited. So if that's the case, like if plug it somewhere that actually electrified the actual device, it might mean that it's burnt out, so you won't be able to use it. And also, if you've just bought it, or if it's fairly new, you might have a way for it to get replaced for another headset, or a newer or a new device for this one for them to replace. So if you have your receipt, you may contact HyperX Cloud or where you bought it, and maybe they will give you a replacement for it if it's fairly new. But yeah, so those are the things that you could do here to probably solve or fix your HyperX Cloud Core wireless here. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.